Uh, let's start. Welcome everyone to this lecture. So, today we are going to discuss about what are web applications. We had a brief differentiation between what is a web app and what is a website in our previous modules, but in this module, we'll look at how and what is web app and how it works. Cool. So, let's start. So, basically, when we talk about the dynamic thing, when we talk about the dynamic thing or the dynamic data thing, cool, so it could be provided by a web app. So basically, what web app is it provides us with a dynamic data that can be written on manipulated on a web page. So it provides us dynamic data which can be written slash manipulated on web page. Cool guys, so this was about what is actually a web app, and it runs on a web server. We'll look at a web server in our later section. So it basically runs on the web server. Example of this is YouTube, the most famous example. Everyone who's watching this video must know about YouTube, must have used YouTube. Means it's a part of our daily life, so everyone uh, watches videos on YouTube. So that was about what is basically a web app. Now let us see about the client server model. So what basically happens is client server model. So what is a client server model? It's a basic building block, cool, of the web. Basic building block, cool. So this is a basic building block of the web. And what happens that this is the client, this is the server. So all the process are running here, process runs here, it requests the server, and it brings us the response back. Cool. Example www. So let's now look at the certain applications advantages or applications and certain disadvantages of this. Cool. So the very first advantage is it is centralized. It is cost efficient. Third is has great system capacity. Great system capacity. And the fourth one is it is secure. So these 4 points uh, are such some basic advantages of cool of web apps, and certain disadvantages as it has overloading problems. So basically you need to remember these points before, because sometimes interviewer might ask you what are advantages and disadvantages of it. So you need to have some concrete points over these topics, so you just need to know about these things as well apart from the other theoretical. And it has denial of DOS attacks. You must have known about DOS attacks. So it denial of DOS attacks. And the last point is network failure. So it might be possible that some network failure might happen. So that was it about the web apps discussion, guys. So we'll meet you in the next lecture of REST APIs. Thank you.